Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the organization itself. From your GitHub profile, choose New Organization, pick the appropriate plan, and add a billing method if needed. This enables paid features. Once done, name the org clearly and set default repo visibility so permissions default correctly. Invite at least one other owner now. You need redundancy. You're starting production-ready governance immediately, not fiddling later, because early choices affect access, security, and billing across the whole organization. Next, structure who does what. Create teams, owners, admins, developers, CA, and grant minimum necessary repo permissions. This prevents access sprawl. Once teams exist, create repo templates for standardization and enable branch protection, required status checks, and pull request review rules to enforce workflows. Make sure to enable SAML/SSO or enforce 2FA for all members if your plan supports it. This secures org access. By the end of this step, you have reproducible repos and guarded branches ready for real work. Finish by auditing settings and onboarding repositories. Migrate existing repos or create new ones from templates. Set CI/CD pipelines, labels, and standard issue templates so work starts consistently. Make sure secret scanning and dependency alerts are enabled, and run a quick member training session on your workflows. If something breaks, check audit logs for permission changes, verify team permission inheritance, and confirm SSO sessions. These usually reveal misconfigurations. One key tip: revoke suspicious tokens and reassign roles before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.